I think it's gonna be my first time to go into US and sa LA pa. And, and yeah, and there's a lot of Filipino and I don't know what to feel because wala pa po tayo. Kaya hindi ko pa po alam kung ano yung mag-feel ko. Siguro po ma-overwhelm. Kasi sobrang dami Pilipino na pupunta doon. Ay, yun. Ayun po. Ayun lang yung pinaka-masaya na mangyayari. Na maraming Pilipino doon.
And the nice thing about that, even in Doha, I thought I was in the Philippines. The whole place was full of Filipinos. What we did is that we gathered all the tickets and we gave to the embassy, we gave all to the Filipino free tickets so that they would all be cheering. And I think it carries the athlete. The cheering carries the athlete because a powerful mind can carry a weak body. I always say that. That's why the power of the mind is so important.
Home court ang LA, 28. Home court natin yan. Because a lot of Filipinos. Dayan?
Yeah, speaking about home court, Cynthia, for the Filipinos who want to watch the World Juniors, is it possible to buy tickets, or because it's only 2,000 can seats? So what is the reality?
Well, we will sell tickets, but the sponsors have their own seats on top. They have also seats on top. They're not going to be in the bottom. The VIP, we have a lot of VIP booths.
Yeah, pero for like families, like if they want to bring their kids,
We will sell tickets, yeah. We will be selling tickets.
okay. And then reserve na more than 2,000 for your families. Andrew, parang ikaw, ever since I've known you, talagang sobrang masayahin ka na tao, full of energy, very extroverted, right? Ha?
Introvert po.
Shy ka pala. Sa palagay mo, paano, yung personality mo, paano ito nakakatulong sa gymnastics mo?
So, ayun nga po, kaya mga sabi ko kanina, kahit sa sobrang boring po ng way, nakakahanap pa rin po talaga ako ng ibang way para hindi po ako maboringan. Like, parang sa everyday na training ko po is like para sa inyo parang boring. Pero for me po, nakakahanap pa rin po talaga ako ng way para ayun po, ma-enjoy ko po yung araw na yun kahit para sa ibang tao boring. Ayun po, yung pagiging introvert ko po yun.
Yung training mo sa Japan, I don't think it's boring, maybe it's, I don't know if you can describe it as boring, pero I think super strenuous siya, di ba? Paano mo siya madi-describe? Sobrang hirap, or kayang-kaya, or ano ang masasabi mo tungkol sa training mo ngayon under Coach Mune, na sabi ni Ma'am Cynthia ay nag-a-adjust na?
Siguro po, I can say na it's fun. Hindi po siya talaga boring kasi araw-araw may natututunan ka. At araw-araw kumikilos kasi hindi po talaga boring. So, ayun po, pwede ko siyang ma-describe na sobrang hirap po. Sobrang hirap po, pero na-enjoy ko naman po yung araw na yun. May mga times na nakakaiyak, kinatawa naman. Di ba parang baliw pakinggan, pero parang baliw po talaga siya pakinggan, pero doon ko po talaga siya mas na-enjoy or na-excel ko po yung time ko na it's gonna be fun day. Like, every day is gonna be my fun day.
Yeah. How many hours do you train a day sa Japan?
Iba-iba po eh. So, Tuesday to Wednesday po, 8 hours. Then, at Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday po, 8 hours. Then, Friday, 3 hours. Then, Saturday, Sunday po, 6 hours. Ay, 7 hours.
Wow.
Then, Monday po is yung
That's a lot of hours. Bugbog ba katawan mo? Masasabi mo? Or kinakayanan mo?
kinakaya naman po kasi nandun naman po si Kuya Junpei po, which is yung therapist po namin. So, wow. Nandun naman po siya para i-release lahat ng colds kasi acupuncture.
Nandun siya sa Japan?
Yes po. Actually po, kung nasan po si Push mo niya, nandun po siya.
Cynthia, what have you learned from your, of course, your previous program with Carlos has obviously proven successful, diba? Because he won 2 golds. So, in the training of Eldrew, what are you doing anything different or adding to it, or just going with the same routines?
The same flow, no, it's different. Eldrew is a completely different animal.
Okay.
Completely. It is really different. When in the despedida party of the junior world or Asian world, I'm looking, where is Eldrew? You will see a whole group. He's in the center, making fun, showing. Everybody wants him. And then when he wins, when he's in the thing, he wins, he waves and he, thank you, mom. Like that. Everybody applauds. They love that.
Okay. So with his different personality, how different is the training designed for him? Like with that kind of a personality, what do you?
It's not only the personality. It's Eldrew already started from the beginning wanting to be like his brother, watching. Carlos, nothing. We started him from scratch.
Yes.
Really scratch.
No one to look up to.
No one to look up to and go straight to Japan. Can you imagine he did not know English? He did not know Tagalog. He only knew Tagalog. They don't know Tagalog. They don't know English. The communication alone was horrible. At least now he's with
Eldrew is full English speaking.
full English, and not only that, Coach Mooney knows Tagalog now. I mean, the place is very different. The circumstances is very different. Very different between Carlos and.
So, but to your advantage in the sense that he has someone to look up to and can see like what works and what doesn't work.
Who?
Eldrew.
Yes. No, you have advantage. Yes. Looking up at your son, your brother, plus you know what to do and what not to do.
Is there something that you want to do that you want to not man copy but to duplicate na ginawa ni Carlos and something na hindi? Palagay mo kasi different ka sa personality.
Hindi ko po alam. I don't know if ano po yung nakababi ko or yung itutupi. Kasi sabi niyo, different different species. So,
Different species.
hindi ko alam kung ano po yung ito-duplicate ko. Yeah, ngayon po, siguro, I only duplicate is my last name po. We have different style, we have different kind of form, so...
Pero hard work ka lang.
Hard work din. Ay, siguro po hard work lang po yung duplicate ko, tsaka yung last name ko lang po talaga.
Anyway, ma'am, gently going back to our World Junior District Championships, do you have any activities to build up the public awareness? Like, for example, do we have